one of our previous video, we made the market research and we show that buying all the condominiums in Bangkok Central Business District may be a little bit more profitable in terms of return of investment for buy-to-let investors, unless there is some rare opportunities where you can buy a new condo with a great discount. And this is exactly the case where we get a very nice promotion for this specific project of Nobel Development. We call Nobel Ambience, Sukhumvit 42, located just 400 meters from BTS Ekamai. And today we have prices for 4.25 that are cheaper than prices of 3 years ago when the project just started. So this is exactly this rare opportunity where you can buy a new luxury condominium from a very good developer, one of top 5 developers, with amazing discount, and your return of investment for buy-to-let investors will be higher than buying all the condominiums where you don't get usually such kind of deals. Let's go see facilities of this condominium, and I will leave a link in the description to our web link, and you can see details of this promotion. If you like our videos, please don't forget to press the like button. If you're not yet subscribed to our channels, please do it now, and I usually advise to push a bell button so you will get notifications about our new videos. If you have any specific projects about this condominium or any other projects in Bangkok Center, please contact us. Our contact details are always here on the screen. What I like with Nobel low-rise condominiums, that fitness gym room, it's much larger than average gym room for low-rise condominiums. Take a look, it's almost full-size fitness, equipped with the most modern devices, and it's very nice view. You can exercise and enjoy a pool view and the garden view.